Hey everyone, are you ready to transform your online business and start generating income with dropshipping? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to integrate Spocket with Shopify and launch your dropshipping store in 2025. Forget about the headaches of inventory and shipping. With this powerful combination, you can offer thousands of products to your customers without ever touching a single checkout. Get ready to take your business to the next level. First things first, it's essential to have our digital house in order. To get started, let's open our preferred browser. Whether it's Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, make sure it's updated for the best experience. Once there, it's crucial to have our Shopify account already logged in. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, don't worry. It's very easy to create one. Simply go to shopify.com and follow the steps to sign up. They offer free trials that are perfect for starting to explore. Once your account is active and you're logged in, you're ready for the next step, which is where the dropshipping magic begins to take shape. Now that we have our Shopify store ready, it's time to bring in our main partner, Spocket. This app will be our bridge to a vast catalog of products. To install Spocket in our Shopify store, the process is quite intuitive. First, from the Shopify admin panel, click Add App. This option is usually in the left-hand menu or in the Apps section. Clicking it will open a new window or redirect you to a section where you can search for apps. Once there, if you don't see the option directly, scroll down and click Shopify App Store. This will take you directly to the official Shopify App Store, which is like a giant marketplace where you can find tools to enhance your store. Now that you're in the Shopify App Store, it's time to use the search engine. In the search bar, type dropshipping or simply Spocket. You'll see several dropshipping related app options. There are many, but in our case, we'll look for the one that says Spocket. It's often distinguished by its logo and a good number of positive reviews. Once we identify it, click on it to view its details. Here you can read about its features, plans, and other users' opinions. If you're happy with what it offers, click Install or Add App again. Shopify will ask us to confirm the installation and grant Spocket permissions to access our store. This is a standard security step. Simply review the permissions and, if you agree, confirm. The installation is complete. In a matter of seconds, Spocket will be integrated with your Shopify store, ready for us to start exploring. Once we confirm the installation, the system will automatically redirect us. We should now be in the Spocket dashboard. If not, simply find the Spocket app in the Apps section of your Shopify dashboard and click on it. The first thing you'll notice when you log in is that you can create a free account. Spocket offers a free plan, which is great for getting started and familiarizing yourself with the platform, although with some limitations regarding the number of products you can import or the ability to import premium products. For most beginners, the free account is a great starting point. Sign up with your email or directly with your Shopify account. It's a quick and easy process. Once logged in, Spocket offers subscription plans with more advanced features, such as deeper product discounts, access to premium suppliers, and a larger number of products you can import. In our case, we'll skip these for now, as the goal of this tutorial is to show you how to get started with the basics, and the free version is more than enough to understand the workflow and select your first products. You can always upgrade later if your business grows and you need more features. Great! Once we're in the Spocket dashboard, we need to search for a product. This is where the fun really begins. Spocket has a vast catalog of products from suppliers around the world, many of them located in the US and Europe, which translates into faster shipping times and higher customer satisfaction. Spocket's search interface is very intuitive. You'll find a main search bar where you can type keywords specific to the product you're looking for, such as jewelry, women's clothing, tech gadgets, or pet products. In addition to keyword searches, we can use filters to help us refine our search and find exactly what we need. These filters are an invaluable tool, and I recommend exploring them thoroughly. Some of the most useful filters include category. Allows you to filter by product type, electronics, fashion, home and garden, etc. Price range. If you have a specific budget or desired profit margin, you can set a wholesale price range. Supplier country. To ensure fast shipping, you can filter by suppliers in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, etc. Shipping time. This is crucial for customer satisfaction. You can search for products with short shipping times. Product type. Allows you to choose from discounted products, premium products, etc. Excluded keywords. If you want to avoid certain terms in your search, take your time exploring the catalog. Research which products are in high demand, what trends exist in the market, and which items resonate with your niche. The key to success in dropshipping is offering products that people actually want and that have a good profit margin. Once we find the product we want and we verify that it has good reviews, is from a reliable supplier, and fits our business model, we can import it into our Shopify store. You'll see an Add to Import queue or Add to Import list button next to each product. Click it to select the products you want to add to your store. Once they're in the import list, you can review them before publishing them to your store. We're almost done. We have our products selected in Spocket and ready to be visible to our customers. Now we'll head to our Shopify store. To do this, simply open a new tab or return to the tab in your Shopify admin. Once in the Shopify admin, we'll now go to Products. This section is usually found in the left-hand side menu of your Shopify admin. This is where you manage all the products for sale in your store. Once inside the Products section, we need to verify that the product we imported from Spocket is there. You should see it appear in your store's product list. The wonderful thing about Spocket is that it does a lot of the heavy lifting for us. Spocket will help us by adding a title, description, and images to the product. This is a huge time and effort saver. You won't have to write descriptions from scratch or search for high-quality images. Spocket does that for you. However, I strongly recommend that you don't just rely on what Spocket imports. To stand out from the competition and improve your SEO, take a moment to optimize the title. Make sure it's clear, compelling, and contains keywords relevant to your niche. Improve the description. Although Spocket provides a foundation, edit it to make it more persuasive, highlight the product's benefits, and have a tone of voice that aligns with your brand. You can add bullet points, short testimonials, or even FAQs. Review images. Make sure the images are high quality and represent the product well. If possible, add additional images or even videos. Adjust prices. Spocket imports wholesale prices. You'll need to set retail prices, ensuring you have a healthy profit margin that covers your costs and generates revenue. Spocket has tools to automate pricing, which is very helpful. Set up variants. If the product has different sizes, colors, or styles, make sure the variants are set up correctly in Shopify. Once you've made these optimizations, voila! Your product will be live and visible in your Shopify store, ready for your customers to purchase. It's an amazingly efficient process that allows you to scale your business quickly. And that's it, everyone. I hope this tutorial has been incredibly helpful in understanding how to integrate Spocket with Shopify and start your own dropshipping business in 2025. As you can see, it's a fairly straightforward process that opens the door to a world of e-commerce opportunities. Remember, the key to success lies in research, optimization, and excellent customer service. Spocket and Shopify provide the tools, but the drive and vision come from you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping tutorials, and share it with your entrepreneurial friends. I wish you much success in your dropshipping adventure. See you next time.